अरे कैसे बना लेते इतना? So well guys, welcome to my channel. Me Wanderson here again with a motor vlog. So well, this time I'm going to talk about something that have been hitting my mind a lot of times, because I have faced this a lot of times. So considering the title, you might have understood what this video is about, and if you haven't, don't worry about that, I'll take care of it. बड़ी मुश्किल से I have got a sweet spot where I can motovlog, considering the amount of rains that we are facing in Mumbai. Mic setup नहीं होता यार, then I need to use the waterproof casing, and इसकी वजह से motovlog नहीं हो पाता. But anyway, so yeah, getting back to the point. It is always mentioned in a petrol pump at any fuel station that please watch the count 0 on the meter before you start your refill, right? So well, that is an ideal situation, that should happen, but well, sometimes it doesn't. Now you ask me why, I'll tell you why. There are some nincompoops, some stupid, crazy, haramkhor people working at the fuel stations who are greedy for money, who are greedy for free money. Now I have faced this a lot of times, guys, a lot of times. What exactly the situation they create is that when you go to the fuel station and when you refill, now well, first of all, they see what kind of person you are. If you have a bigger bike or a fancy bike or an expensive motorcycle, then well, you are, you know, a potential target for them. Well, if you are with somebody, you are busy talking, then also you are potential target. Well, there are a lot of situations out there. So what happens is that when you go at any fuel station and there is this kind of staff working there who are greedy for money, then they will thug you. Now well, how? First of all, they will see what kind of person you are. Once you enter the fuel station, once you are in front of the fuel pump, then what they'll do is that one person will come at you, a different person working at there itself. He will come at you and he'll ask you anything like, are you paying by card, or do you have PUC, or is your PUC expired, or insurance, or whatever it is, whatever service they offer. But by the time you open your fuel cap, and by the time you are also conversing with that person, the other person who will refill your motorcycle, then what he does is that he doesn't make the count 0 there of the previous motorcycle or the previous vehicle he refilled. So for example, agar mere pehle, if there's a person in front of me, he fills 70 rupees petrol or whatever, 100 rupees petrol, so the count on the meter is 100 rupees, right? So when my turn comes, the other person keeps conversation with me, and by the time I open my cap, he puts the pipe inside and he starts the flow. So well, what happens is that your petrol gets, you know, in the tank after that 100. You're getting my point, right? So in short, if you ask him to refill 500 rupees full tank, right? Okay, so what happens here is that वो तो 100 से भर रहा है, so basically he is filling only 400 rupees का petrol, right? And on the meter it will show 500 because it was already 400 before you came, before you refilled. So what happens here is that the 100 rupees, that extra money, that goes in his pocket. Now how? Well, दिन भर का पूरा हिसाब होता है, and after that हिसाब is done, the money goes to the petrol pump, you know, and बचा खुचा this kind of money goes into his own pocket. Well, because petrol 500 का तो भरा ही नहीं है ना, petrol 400 का ही भरा है, and 100 रुपए that goes directly in his pocket. So even if he finds some potential customers like this, some targets, even 5 to 10 targets each month, उसका 500,000 रुपए तो ऐसे ही बन गया, right? This is just an example. The previous meter reading might be more than 100 as well. So I have faced this a lot of times. I have been a victim of this one time, and then after realizing it that yaar, it was not made zero, but then he will argue with you that it was zero. Well, do you have a proof? You don't have a proof. So that's the reason. ये सब जो लोग होते हैं ना, these kind of people on the petrol pumps, please beware of them, guys, because it is hard-earned money. It is our own money. And by the way, the place where I was victim of this kind of fraud, at the same petrol pump, you know, the same kind of thing happens. So if there is no other person coming, and even if the single person who is refilling your motorcycle is smart enough, he will throw a googly on you, and you won't even understand. You won't watch the meter reading, and you will, you know, you will fall prey to this stupidity. So please, guys, be aware of this fraud that petrol pump, the working staff there do. I'm not saying everybody does that. I'm not saying those are bad people or whatever, but there are some chor log. I call them chor log because yes, they are doing some kind of chori. Motor vlog shanti se nahi hota yaar. That day when I had my subscribers right, and morning 5:30 I went to the petrol pump before going to the this meter point, and well, the same thing happened, and he didn't make it zero. The meter reading was 70, and I just saw it was 70, and I asked him, dude, zero कब करोगे? Zero नहीं करते क्या आप लोग का? आदत हो गया ये तो ओ भूल गया, I forgot, sorry sir, ऐसा वैसा. Please be aware, because it can happen with you anytime. And well, if this has happened with you, then please do comment down below and let me know that this has happened with you, right? Because this is totally unacceptable. This is like, ऐसा गुस्सा आ गया था ना मेरा उस दिन. अच्छा, I had a subscribers right, it was bloody rating so much, and he was trying to target me in the morning 5:30. Come on, dude. And unfortunately I didn't have my camera on most of the times when this happened, because this happens randomly anytime. So sorry, I'm not able to show you any live feed about this, but considering the fact that you should be aware of this kind of fraud that petrol pumps do, that's the reason I'm making this video, guys. And well, try to keep your camera on when you refill, because you never know when you need the footage. You never know. So if you have an action camera, if you're a motor vlogger, whatever, just try to keep your camera on while you refill at the petrol pump. So well, the final thoughts, never ever talk or fall in any kind of trap that these guys want you to fall. Always check for zero, the zero number on the meter of the fuel pump, then you will not have any problem. And well, agar koi aisa karta hai, if somebody tries to do this, bang him over there with words. गाली वाली मत दो, but bang him over words. मैं उस दिन झगड़ा कर रहा था उसके साथ कि भाई ये तुम लोग का क्या चल रहा है, हमेशा का तुम लोग का यही है. So well, I hope this video helps you guys, and please do hit the like button if you really thought that this video is helpful, and share this video to create awareness of the same thing. And yes, guys, comment down below if this thing has happened to you as well. So well, this was a short motor vlog. I hope you guys liked my motor vlogs, guys, because I've seen a good response, a short and sweet response on my motor vlogs, and a lot of people want me to do more motor vlogs. So well, let me know in the comment section below your thoughts about you know, my motor vlogs. And that's it. But thankfully I got clear weather to do a motor vlog finally. So well, yes, I think I should end my vlog over here. Me, Wanderson, signing off. I'll see you guys in some other place, in some other vlog. Until next time, keep wandering. Peace out. तीन सौ